India, 1860. A land of immense diversity, rich in culture and history, yet under the heavy yoke of British colonial rule. The shadow of British rule loomed large, casting a pall over the subcontinent. The British administration sought to control and govern a vast and varied population. Yet, amidst the turmoil and oppression, a landmark event occurred. A new legal framework was being conceived, one that would change the course of Indian history. A new legal code was being meticulously drafted, with the aim of bringing order and uniformity to the chaotic legal landscape. This code, known as the Indian Penal Code, aimed to unify the diverse legal systems that existed across the subcontinent, each with its own set of rules and customs. It sought to replace the patchwork of laws imposed by the East India Company, which were often inconsistent and unfair. This was a bold and ambitious step towards creating a unified legal system for a nation on the cusp of transformation, a nation yearning for justice and equality. The Indian Penal Code, later renamed the Bharatiya Nyay Samhita (BNS), was a monumental achievement. It was the brainchild of Lord Thomas Babington Macaulay and his team of legal experts. It reflected the changing times and the aspirations of a society in flux, moving towards modernity and self-governance. It aimed to establish a just and equitable society, where the rule of law would prevail over arbitrary rule and injustice. The BNS, even today, stands as a testament to the vision and foresight of its creators. It has endured the test of time and continues to be a cornerstone of the Indian legal system. It is a cornerstone of the Indian legal system, embodying the principles of justice, fairness, and equality that are essential for any thriving democracy. The BNS was born out of necessity, a response to the pressing need for a unified legal framework in a diverse and divided land. Before its enactment, India's legal system was fragmented, with each region following its own set of rules and regulations. Different regions followed different laws, often based on religious or customary practices, which varied widely across the subcontinent. This created confusion and inconsistency in the application of justice, leading to a chaotic legal environment where fairness was often compromised. The British, aiming to solidify their control over India, sought to establish a uniform legal code that would bring order and predictability. The task of drafting the Indian Penal Code fell upon Lord Thomas Babington Macaulay, a man of great intellect and vision. A renowned historian and legal scholar, Macaulay drew inspiration from various sources, meticulously studying different legal systems. These included the Napoleonic Code and English common law, which he believed could provide a solid foundation for India's new legal framework. The result was a comprehensive legal document that covered a wide range of offences, ensuring that every possible crime was addressed. It laid down clear punishments for each, aiming to create a sense of justice and order in a land that had long been plagued by legal uncertainty. The BNS is divided into 23 chapters, each dealing with a specific category of offences. These chapters are further subdivided into sections that define specific crimes and their corresponding punishments. This structured approach ensures clarity and ease of reference. It reflects a systematic attempt to codify criminal law. For example, Chapter 16 deals with offences affecting human life. This includes murder, culpable homicide, and grievous hurt. Chapter 17 covers offences against property such as theft, robbery, and extortion. The BNS covers a vast spectrum of criminal activity, from minor offences to the most serious crimes. Certain sections of the BNS are particularly noteworthy due to their relevance to contemporary society. These sections not only define the legal boundaries, but also reflect the values and principles that are important to the Indian populace. Section 302, for instance, deals with the offence of murder, defining it and laying down the punishment, which can range from life imprisonment to the death penalty. This section is crucial as it addresses one of the most severe crimes, ensuring that justice is served for the gravest of offences. Section 375 defines rape and prescribes rigorous imprisonment for a term not less than 7 years. This section is particularly significant in the context of protecting the rights and dignity of individuals, especially women, and serves as a strong legal framework against sexual violence. These sections, among others, reflect the evolving social and moral fabric of India. They highlight the country's commitment to upholding human rights and ensuring justice for all its citizens, regardless of their background. They demonstrate the BNS's capacity to adapt to changing societal norms and address emerging challenges. The legal system's ability to evolve with the times is a testament to its robustness and relevance in contemporary society. By clearly defining these offences and prescribing appropriate punishments, the BNS serves as a deterrent against criminal activity and upholds the rule of law. It ensures that justice is not only done, but is seen to be done, maintaining public confidence in the legal system.